First off, welcome back to Everyman Driver. Secondly, don't wake up the dog. Today we're talking about future headaches that you want to avoid based on used cars out there in the market. Vehicles that you want to steer clear of based on costly repairs dealing with their transmissions. Here are the top 10 vehicles notorious for having transmission problems. First up, we have the Ford Focus from 2012 to 2016. These models are infamous for their dual clutch transmission issues. Owners have reported jerking, hesitation, and complete transmission failures, leading to multiple recalls and extended warranties. Next on the list is the Nissan Altima, specifically from 2013 to 2016. These cars often suffer from continuously variable transmission problems, including shuddering, delayed acceleration, and even transmission failure. Repairs can be costly, making this a model to avoid if you're concerned about transmission reliability. The Jeep Cherokee, particularly between 2014 and 2015 models, has had significant issues with its 9-speed automatic transmission. Owners have reported rough shifting, sudden acceleration or deceleration, and complete transmission failure. Another four on the list, the Fiesta from 2011 through 2016, and like the Focus, the Fiesta is plagued by dual clutch transmission problems. Common complaints include grinding noises, slipping, and hesitation, leading to expensive repairs and frequent service visits. The Honda Civic from 2001 to 2005 is known for its automatic transmission failures. Many owners have experienced slipping, harsh shifting, transmission failure, often requiring a complete replacement. The Chevy Traverse from 2009 through 2015 has been reported to have transmission issues, including slipping, hesitation, outright failure. These problems often surface after vehicles reach higher mileage, leading to costly repairs. The Ram 1500 between 2014 to 2016 has had numerous complaints about its 8-speed automatic. Issues include hard shifting, slipping, transmission failure, of course, resulting in expensive fixes. The Sonata from Hyundai between 2011 and 2014 has also been notorious for problems with its transmission. Owners have reported rough shifting, hesitation, transmission failure, often requiring complete overhauls. The Mini Cooper from 2005 to 2008, another vehicle known for its transmission problems. The CVT in these models is prone to failure, leading to costly repairs that can easily exceed the value of the car. Rounding out the list is the Acura MDX from 2001 to 2005. These SUVs are known for transmission problems, failures, especially slipping, hard shifting, and eventual complete failure, often needing a full transmission replacement. Avoid these model years. There you go. We successfully ran through 10 vehicles with bad transmission problems, and the dog is still asleep. If you've experienced any of these problems, not the dog, but the transmission issues, leave it in the comments section below. If and when you are in the market for a new or used vehicle, check out quotes.everymandriver.com, the best place for insider access to dealer pricing, the lowest prices in your zip code from qualified dealerships. Make, model, zip code. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, expand that zip code. Be willing to travel a few miles outside your area, save a few hundred, possibly a few $1,000s on a new or used vehicle of your choice by visiting quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a link below this video. Here are some car brands you think might be affordable now, but you'll find later could be full of regret. Some of these brands might seem like a good deal at first. They could cost you more in the long run because they break down often, need expensive repairs, and lose their value quickly. That's our trifecta of financial pitfalls. So watch out for the following brands which tempt you with low prices but often fail to deliver in the long term. Number one, be very cautious of buying a Mitsubishi. They do offer a long 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty for their engines and transmissions, which sounds great. However, studies have shown that Mitsubishi cars don't score very well for reliability overall. Cars like the Mirage, the Outlander Sport have received poor overall quality and dependability ratings. On top of that, Mitsubishi has few dealerships, so finding a good place to get your car serviced can be hard if something does go wrong. You might think the Mirage would be a great deal. Sub $17,000 new, 3 cylinders, only 78 horsepower. Basically a glorified go-kart, but A bare bones Mitsubishi Mirage may get you where you're going, but won't do much beyond that. Performance and features feel lacking compared to others in its class. You may quickly want more than what it has to offer. No, Mitsubishi isn't the only questionable brand that tempts buyers with attractive low prices. Another brand that worries some experts is Nissan, especially some of their more affordable models like the Versa and Sentra. These cars have a lot of problems with their CVT they have over the years. Getting those transmissions fixed can be expensive, and having them break down all the time is time consuming, can easily wipe out any money you've saved by getting a lower price in the first place. Like Mitsubishi, Nissan can get you behind the wheel of a brand new Versa for less than 17 grand, which is amazing. It even comes with 4 cylinders, not 3 but 4. But be warned, the Nissan Versa, for example, brings road noise that will have your ears ringing, some experts say, with acceleration resembling cold molasses. I quote that one. Thrills are not in its nature or DNA. Some owners may grow out of its limitations before very long. Even slightly pricier models can disappoint you in the long run. The Sentra, about 21 grand, will draw your eye to the price, but in the mechanic shop, quality in some areas has not always matched what Hondas and Toyotas deliver, so be aware of Nissan as well as Mitsubishi. And then there's Fiat. Like the mini models whose stylings they share, Fiat looks retro, adorable, and unique, but by most accounts, the British brand has the Italian nameplate beat when you get past appearance. Regarding reliability, RepairPal says that Fiat ranks in the middle, about 18 out of 32, but even that tepid showing might be generous. Fiat hasn't had a good reputation among credible experts and industry publications, with mentions of breakdowns and high ownership costs just to have one. Fiat discontinued the 500, one of its most popular and longest running models, back in 2019. The Fiat 500 was stylish and cheap, but didn't always work right and cost a lot to fix. Its small interior spaces and old technology can also be annoying for buyers who want to be happy with their purchases in the long run. Fiat did resurrect the 500 in 2024 as an EV, electric vehicle, but buyer beware. Car and Driver, you've heard of them, gives it an uninspiring 7 out of 10 rating, which is 3 steps up from the dismal 4 it gave to the last Fiat 500 in 2019. So for those of you out there who are shopping for a new or used car and concerned about upfront affordability and long-term costs, some brands rose to fame by striking a balance between those two of price and quality. So stick with those. Some affordable brands are still known for being reliable and holding their value well, making them a smarter choice if you're on a budget in 2024. Toyota, a great example. Their cars are famous for rarely breaking down and costing very little to maintain over the life of ownership. Models like the Corolla, RAV4 will give you great affordable prices along with excellent reputation and reliability in the Toyota brand. And they are worth a good amount when you go to sell them later as well, so resale value is very good. Honda, another solid pick, offering a nice variety of vehicles that score high for safety, fuel efficiency, dependability. Popular models like the Civic, CR-V, Accord all strike a good balance between being affordable to buy while also being affordable to own long term. Again, not a sprint, it's a marathon. If and when you are in the market for a new or used vehicle, check out quotes.everymandriver.com, the best place for insider access to dealer pricing, the lowest prices in your zip code from qualified dealerships. Make, model, zip code. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, expand that zip code. Be willing to travel a few miles outside your area, save a few hundred, possibly a few $1,000s on a new or used vehicle of your choice by visiting quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a link below this video. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Today's video is brought to you in part by Ironman Darts. If you're looking to pick up a new and fun hobby that you can play at home or at the local pub, check out the Ironman Darts YouTube channel for simple and easy practice routines, lessons on how to throw darts, darts games for beginners, and real matches versus real people with both steel tip and soft tip darts. Click the link below and watch for free. And there it is.